Hello. Welcome to our Arabic lesson. Today, we will learn 50 basic words. Let's start with greetings. Hello in Arabic is marhaba. Marhaba. Excellent. Now, let's learn some family members. Father is Abi, and mother is Abi and got it. Man is Rajul, and woman is Imra. Boy is Walid, and girl is Bint. Rajil, Imra. Walad, Bint. Perfect. Now for some common objects. Water is Ma, and food is Tom. Ma and Tom. House is Bait, and car is Sayara. Bait and Sayara. Let's move on to some verbs. To eat is akala, and to drink is shariba. Akala. Akala. And shariba. To go is dahaba, and to see is ra. Dahaba and ra. Now for some adjectives. Big is kabir, and small is sagir. Kabir and sagir. Good is jayad, and bad is sai. Jayad and sai. Let's learn some numbers. 1 is wahid, 2 is ithnan, and 3 is wahid, ithnan. Wahid. 4 is arba, and 5 is kamsa. Arba and kamsa. Now for some days of the week. Sunday is al-ahad, and Monday is al-ithnain. Al-ahad and al-ithnain. Today is al-yom, tomorrow is Gaiden, and yesterday is Ayams. Al-yom, Gaiden, Ayams. Let's learn some more words. Friend is Sadiq, love is Hub. Sun is Shams, moon is Kama. Sky is Sama. Earth is Ard, fire is Nar. Wind is Ray. Day is Yam. Night is Lail. Morning is Sabah. Evening is Masa. Thank you is Shukran. Yes is Nam. No is La. Please is Min. Fadlik. Goodbye is Maya Salama. Wow, that's a lot of words, Sukran. You're welcome. Practice these words, and you'll be on your way to speaking Arabic. Ma As-salama. Ma Asa